If you're looking for the best eyebrow tints, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Maybelline New York Brow Tattoo Long-Lasting Tint. This eyebrow tint has a matte effect and can guarantee a perfectly defined eyebrow for 3 days. The P-Label tint is equipped with a brush tip applicator to ensure uniform color. Using this eyebrow dye, you can fill the gaps in eyebrows and transform your thin eyebrows. The eyebrow dye has 6 colors to choose from, which can meet different needs. Moving on to the next at number 2, with L'Oreal Paris Unbelieva-Brow Tinted Brow Gel. L'Oreal Paris offers a long-lasting eyebrow tint gel made with long-wear polymers. This eyebrow tinting kit seals the pigments onto the brows to achieve intense eyebrows in the comfort of your home. The presence of spherical silica makes the eyebrows look natural. It is available in 5 shades to help you find the perfect color. The number 3 position is held by Elizabeth Mott Eyebrow Tint Gel with Brown Filler. This eyebrow tinting kit is specially designed to fill the eyebrows and color the grays. The long-lasting eyebrow tint, which comes in 5 natural colors, helps you sculpt and groom your eyebrows with a few swipes. The tinted product is formulated using film-forming polymer technology and can cover every hair from all sides. Next at number 4, we have Red and Black Long-Lasting Eyebrow Gel Kit. Red and Black is a highly pigmented professional eyebrow tinting kit that promises more defined eyebrows. The tint includes 2 sets of brushes for filling and shaping to ensure professional use even at home. It is formulated with a pigmented wax and has a creamy gel texture to give a natural look. The number 5 position is held by NYX Professional Makeup Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen. NYX Professional powder-based eyebrow tint is designed in the form of a pen with a flexible micro brush tip that allows you to create thick and thin lines. You can get customized hair widths to fill in sparse areas with this eyebrow enhancer. You can become an eyebrow expert and get super snatched to supernatural brows at home with this fantastic product. The number 6 position is dominated by Existing Beauty Henna Tinting and Coloring Kit. Enjoy eyebrow tinting at home with this dark brown henna formula that adds color and volume to your eyebrows. The kit is made of high-quality natural ingredients, which is convenient for dyeing eyebrows at home. It is provided in 3 packs to ensure your eyebrows have a natural color. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Revlon ColoStay Brow Tint. Add desired shape and fullness to your brows with the best eyebrow tint at home. It comes with an excellent applicator that allows you to apply it with perfection. This brow tint has a matte effect and is the right choice for those who want hair-like, feathery strokes that look natural. The number 8 position is held by Wunder2 Eyebrow Gel for long-lasting eyebrow makeup. This long-lasting tinted brow gel is infused with natural hair-like fibers to fill and sculpt the eyebrows quickly. Wunder2 Eyebrow Pencil that claims to last up to 3 days can accurately define flawless eyebrows. The eyebrow gel does not contain alcohol and oils and is available in 5 different shades. Next at number 9, we have Tre'stique Eyebrow Pencil and Brow Gel. Tre'stique Eyebrow Pencil and Gel is an excellent 2-in-1 brow product to add to your vanity. This super sleek pencil can help you get bold brows within a few swipes. The triangular angle tip promises impressive performance. 4 different colors of eyebrow pencils can simplify your daily makeup. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Queen of the Fill Tinted Eyebrow Makeup Gel. There are 3 options for you to choose for this eyebrow gel. It has light medium, blonde, and medium dark. After application, you can find the product will offer the long-lasting pigment for eyebrows. The tinted eyebrow gel can be used to shape your eyebrows and make a fresh look. You will be surprised with the tape brush design. It is good to apply the product in minutes and give effortless finish. What you do is to wait until the gel is dry, and you can get pretty brows all day. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.